Good morning, student. Myself, Y. Harde, presently working in Rajarshi Shamaras Polytechnic, Nasik. Today we will see the practical number 6 impact of jet. So, firstly, see the what is the impact of jet, and after that, we see the all practical in detailed manner. So, let's start. So the today's practical is practical number 9. Determine the force exerted by jet on the flat plate. So firstly, practical significance. So it is used to design and analysis hydraulic machine. It is essentially based on force exerted by the moving fluids. When jet of water strike on a plate, it get deflected for practically. So force generated by jet of water striking on the plate. So the in this practical we see the reaction force produced by impact of force and using various target fins. So the POs. So firstly write down the title. So next is the POs. There are the two POs. Basic knowledge. Apply basic knowledge of mathematics, science in engineering to solve the broad-based mechanical engineering problem. Next, experiment and practice. It is planned to perform experiment and practice to use solve the broad-based mechanical engineering problem. So these are the POs. So write down the POs. So next is the competency and skills. So this practical is expected to develop the following skills for the industry identify competency. So determine the force exerted by and work done by the jet on the plate and verify the moment equation experimentally. So first is a measure the discharge. Second, measure the velocity, calculate the area of nozzle, calculate the force on the jet. Determine the work done. So relevant course outcome is apply impulse momentum reaction for a given geometry. Next, calculate force exerted by jet. So write down the competency and relevance outcome. थंड आहे थंड आहे 23.
Hello.
So next is a practical outcomes. So evaluation force exerted by the jet. Second, calculate the work done by the jet. So next is a relative affective domain. Follow the safety practices. Good housekeeping. energy conservations and demonstrate working as a leader. Okay, so these are the affective domain which is applicable for the student while performing the practical. So let's write down the relative affective domain. So next is a theories. So in impact of jet chapter, a jet of stream of fluid is projected into the surrounding medium in kind of nozzle or an orifice. So this jet impact on that plate and due to that plate get move or momentum is take place. So that is called jet of water. So what is the impact of jet? So force exerted by jet on a deflected and impart surface impact on the plates and due to that momentum is changes. It is called impact of jet. So it works on Newton's second law of motion. F is equal to ma. So initial momentum minus final momentum upon time. So mass into initial velocity minus final velocity upon time. So force is equal to mass into velocity of jet before striking, velocity of jet after striking. So F is equal to MAV square. So write down the theories. चव लागली चव. So this is an experimental setup of impact of jet. In that there is a supporting lever fulcrum on which weight is attached. There is a nozzle with fuel supply, water supply, and it impact with the help of jet on a vane. So next is a supporting tank which is useful for the tally. So These are the experiment setup. So next is the resources required. In that, impact of jet on a experimental setup is necessary, in which there is a nozzle having diameter 30 mm, impact of jet 20 mm. Next is a measuring tank. There is a 40 liter made up of MS FRP fitted with piezometer tube. So next is stopwatch. Timing capacity is 23rd hour. And fitted with piezometer tube and scale. Next is a stopwatch, and next measuring scale. So write down the resources. So next is what is the precaution to be followed. So first is avoid proper handling of electrical connection, that is a centrifugal pump. Please ensure priming is required. Next, handle the U-tube manometer with care. Handle the venturimeter with also care. Stop Handle stopwatch carefully. So write down the precautions. What precautions should be taken while performing the experiment? So first is avoid improper handling. Handle with care U-tube, handle with care venturimeter, and handle with care stopwatch. So next is a procedure. So note down the dimension of area of collecting tank and diameter of nozzle. Second, when the jet is not running, note down the position of disc. So there is a disc. When your impact of jet impact on that disc, did this disc get movement upward or downward? So next, admit water supply to the nozzle. When the jet strike on the disc move upward and place the weight to bring back the upper disc to its original position. At this position, find out the discharge and note down the weight placed above the disc. So, this procedure repeated for different flow rate, reducing the water supply. For discharge, measuring the tank. Measure the dimension of measuring tank, that is W1, breadth 1. Collect the flow of water of the measuring tank. Start the stopwatch when you collect the flow of water in measuring tank. Collect the water in the tank. Stop to collect the water after completion. Record the height of water collected on auxiliary glass or fix on the measuring tank. Calculate volume of water collected and calculate the discharge. So next is a write down the resources should be used. So that is the impact of jet apparatus, stopwatch. Next is the precautions. What is the precaution should be taken? What is the procedure should be applied? So next is the discharge measuring observations. So width of tank is 0.45 into 0.35. Time for collecting water is 20 seconds. So height of H1 is 0.1 meter. Diameter of nozzle is 30 centimeter. 30 mm. So 30 mm is 0.03 meter. So with the help of that, volume is calculated. W into V into H1. Then Q is calculated. Q is equal to V upon T. So see the reading 4. So number of reading is 4. Given is 5. So first is calculate discharge. What is a mass? Then force is equal to mg. So height of nozzle is 20 mm. So with the help of that, Q upon A calculated. A is a diameter of jet. So final velocity V1 is equal to VO0 minus twice GH, and theoretical history V1. With the help of that, calculate the work done and error. So in this way, perform the practical. So discharge is, the result is, number of reading is 4. So the theoretical force dot dot error balancing is, theoretical force dot dot error balancing is. So these are the experiment of the impact of jet on. So take a reading and write down the procedure calculations. So in this way, firstly draw the observation table. And write down the result and conclusion.
तुम्ही ज्या व्यक्तीला कॉल केला आहे.
So write down the conclusions. So in this way, we are completed the experiment number 9, impact of jet on plates. So thank you.